Gas cooking uses only 40% of the chemical energy in your fuel, and it warms the air in your kitchen. Induction cooking, on the other hand, puts directly 85 or 90% of the electrical energy into your food. And because it is electric, it decreases the amount of electrical solar energy that you have to sell to the grid for pennies. So my idea is use the excess PV energy for cooking and save on the gas bill. Why not just use the gas in the winter? We took a portable single point induction cooking top that consumes in a flexible way from 200 to 2000 watt. In addition, there's also a control for the temperature and also a timer. That becomes very easy cooking. Can you use all pots, frying and skillets, pans? No. Click means OK, otherwise you need this adapter. Because if it doesn't click, the relative permeability is too small. The cooking top feels it and says no. Before telling you why this adapter that most people use with the induction cooking is always used in the wrong way, I want to invite you to download my free 2-page guide. It explains how to cook with induction, which cookware you can use and why it is so efficient. Take a look at Amazon and see the cookware that you need. I selected it with care for Amazon in the USA and in Europe, and you don't pay the small commission that they will assign to me. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Now, these induction plate adapters are always placed under thin-bottomed or non-magnetic pans, and that's indeed the standard. I'm sorry to tell you, but that's really a lousy and low efficiency compromise. In this way you heat the plate, and you see how yesterday during an experiment it was heated very quickly beyond the normal, and even the induction cooking top protested and blocked. And the water was not even hot. Now listen to what I discovered. Drop this clean, non-toxic stainless steel directly in the glass vessel. Then the electromagnetic field will go through the glass directly into the steel and heat the water in a much more direct way with much more efficiency. It does not work in metal pots that don't click with a permanent magnet. Okay, so slash your gas bill, maximize your self-consumed solar energy and cook faster with a simple €60 single point unit. Stop sending your solar energy to a grid that doesn't appreciate it. Instead, start cooking hybrid, gas and induction. I wish you good energy.